Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something pretty incredible, maybe even magical. How you get instant, perfect streaming video anywhere on Earth. Seriously, think about it. A massive 4K movie file, right? The master version sits on one main server, the origin server, maybe thousands of miles away. You hit play on your phone and say Lagos or Sydney, and boom, it's there, instantly. If it had to come all that way just from the origin, well, it'd be like ordering a pizza from New York to London. Cold and soggy.
Oh, totally soggy. It would be impossible,
Right.
frankly.
Yeah.
The whole way we experience the internet now, especially media, relies on this invisible infrastructure called the Content Delivery Network, the CDN. So if the origin server is that, like, master pizza kitchen with the perfect recipe,
Okay, yeah.
the CDN is the network that guarantees you get that pizza piping hot right to your door in seconds.
Right. Let's stick with that kitchen idea for a second because it nails the problem. If you only had that one master kitchen, that one origin server, the time it takes for your order, your data to travel across all those cables onto the ocean or satellites, that's latency, right?
Exactly. That's latency. And the result you see, that spinning wheel, that's buffering. Your pizza is late and cold.
Nightmare. So that single kitchen model just doesn't work for a global audience.
Not even close, which is why CDNs are, well, they're everywhere, handling something like, 90% of internet traffic?
Whoa.
And they solve it by decentralizing. Forget one master kitchen. Instead, you build thousands of smaller local kitchens. Yeah. Or maybe distribution points.
Okay, strategically placed all over the world. These are the edge servers, or you call them caches.
Yep, edge servers, caches, points of presence, POPs,
Yeah.
lots of names. But the idea is they're close to the users.
So that gets the kitchen closer, but how does the pizza, the actual movie file, get into all those thousands of local kitchens before I even order it? And how does my phone know which kitchen is closest?
Ah, right. That's the two-part magic trick. First is caching.
Caching, okay.
The CDN is smart. It
Right.
sort of predicts what's going to be popular. Think a huge news show everyone's talking about.
Right, like a blockbuster release.
Exactly. So before you even search for it, the CDN copies that show from the main origin server out to loads these local edge servers. It's pre-positioning the inventory. That's caching. The content is cached locally.
So the movie's already sitting in a server, potentially just down the road from me.
Could be, yeah. And the second part, smart routing, when you press play.
It needs to find that nearby server instantly. Does my phone, like, ping the whole planet?
No, not quite. It uses clever network stuff, things like Anycast networking, smart DNS. Basically, the network itself figures out the absolute fastest, geographically closest edge server that already has the file you want cached.
And it sends you there.
Instantly. So you're not fetching data from California anymore. You're catching it from maybe a server in your city or the next one over. Latency just vanishes. Pretty much.
Okay, that makes sense for pre-cache stuff, movies, shows. But here's where my mind gets blown. What about massive live events?
Ah, yes.
You know, the World Cup final? Millions, maybe tens of millions, hitting play on a live stream at the exact same microsecond all over the globe. You can't really cache live, can you?
That's the CDN's ultimate test. It's a whole different ballgame. You're right, you can't pre-cache a live goal.
So what happens?
For live events, the CDN becomes less about serving stored copies and more about massive real-time distribution. Think of it like this. The single live feed comes from the stadium.
Master kitchen feed, yeah.
Right. It hits maybe a few regional ingest points first. And from there, the CDN's job is to duplicate that live stream and push it simultaneously, instantly, to every single edge server worldwide that needs it.
Wow. So it's not just pulling data, it's an active, coordinated push to potentially thousands of locations at once.
Precisely. It has to handle that insane, synchronized spike in demand across every continent without the system buckling. If one path gets overloaded or a server has a hiccup.
The smart routing just kicks in and finds the next best path. Instantly, it redirects you seamlessly. That massive, real-time, resilient duplication and distribution.
Yeah.
That's the only way these global live moments can actually happen online.
Incredible.
So, just to wrap it up, the Content Delivery Network, the CDN, is this hidden titan, really. Uses that huge global network of edge servers to store content close by that's caching, and that uses smart routing to connect you to the absolute nearest copy, killing latency and buffering.
So the next time you binge watch a series instantly or catch a live global event without a glitch, just take a second. You're not just watching content, you're actually witnessing this unbelievably complex, perfectly timed global delivery operation happening in real time, invisibly. It's what turns data into a shared global experience, truly makes the internet feel seamless.